Hey, good day to everybody. Doug here at Doug's World Tour channel, specifically the vending and amusement channel. And we're working on some 110 volt boards today. And I want to show you where we are going to offer a kit. As these boards get older and older, 25 plus years old, things are starting to fail more and more and more every time we get one in. This board has some parts removed, 4 of them to be exact, that I strongly recommend be replaced. You can send them in to us. You can order the kit, which includes transformer, capacitor, the electromechanical relays, and the on-off switch. You would be surprised how many of these on-off switches go bad. I'm sure they are probably built somewhere other than the US. They're only $5, but I strongly recommend replacing those. Then you're good for another 25 years, especially when you get a board and people say it's completely dead. They've checked the fuse, check the on-off switch. It could be part of your problem, and if not that, the transformer is gone. It's shorted. Just lets no power go through it. It's a 2-phase transformer. It's got 2 different voltages, so for the $70 to change that, it's well worth it. Our complete kit, and I will put a link down below to it, is less than $100, and that, like I said, I'm going to show you here the parts it includes. So now one more thing. The earliest board, as remember, these were in the first changers that when Harry started the company in 1988, these were in the first AC500s. This is the same wiring as an AC500 board, and we do sell a harness which allows you to connect an MEI validator to this style of board to make it a much more reliable change machine. So that harness fits the AC500 board, the little board. I have one I'm going to show you in just a second. But let's get to the kit as far as the parts you get. If in fact you have the means to do the soldering at home in your shop, a lot of people do, save a little money. Alright, so you're going to get a transformer like so. It's got 8 pegs. You're going to get the electromechanical relay. It's got 5 legs. Capacitor, this one here commonly changes value over the course of 25 years. Sometimes they leak, sometimes they're just flat bad. And of course, as I mentioned, the on-off switch. Be sure it has the little sharp pegs and not the ones that are used to clip a wire onto. They're different and they will not solder in. So let me show you one last thing. This is an AC500 110 volt board, and as you can see, it's still got the 3x3 plug-in. It's got the other part of the harness plug in there. That's the inline 6-pin, and same transformer, same on-off switch. I believe the capacitor is a different value, and then of course it has the electromechanical relay. Now these can vary also from board to board, but you order the kit for your board and you'll get the proper parts. So guys, for now, that's all I have for you. Check out the links below, and if you need some service on these and you want us to do it, we are happy to help. For now, Doug at Doug's World Tour, out.